Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about a small river. This river is situated on the bank of a village. This river name is Tilai Nodi. And this is a way. Now I am walking on the river side. Here is a lot of plants, and this is a government place, and here is a small area. Here is a lot of birds, they are called, and I am hearing this noise is very beautiful. Here is a some of fresh oxygen weather.